Hi, I'm Gabe. For this problem, we're given a matrix, and we're asked to find its inverse. So let's begin by recalling that if we're trying to find an inverse of a matrix A, we set up the matrix A, and we join the identity matrix I. And from here, we perform row operations to rewrite this matrix so that we have the identity matrix on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, what we have is the matrix A inverse. So for this problem, let's go ahead and let's create our matrix and adjoin the matrix I. So we have 1, -2, and on the right-hand side, we're attaching the identity matrix. So we'll have 1 followed by a 0. And in our second row, we'll have 2, -3, followed by 0, 1. Now what you'll want to notice here is that on the left-hand side of our matrix, we have the matrix that we started with, and on the right-hand side, we have the 2 by 2 identity matrix. From here, we'll want to perform our row operations to try to write the identity matrix here on the left-hand side. So let's begin by subtracting 2 times the first row from the second row and placing this into the second row. Now what we can do is perform elementary row operations to try to write the identity matrix on the left-hand side. So we can start by taking our second row and subtracting 2 times the first row and placing this back into the second row. So in doing so, we'll leave the first row exactly the same as 1, -2, 1, 0. And in the second row, we have 2 minus 2 is 0. -3 plus 4 is going to be 1. Then we're going to have 0 minus 2 is -2. And we have 1 minus 0 is 1. Next, we can add 2 times the second row to the first row to clear out this -2. And what we're left with here is 0 plus 1, leaves us with a 1. 2 plus -2 is 0. -4 plus 1 is -3. And 2 times 1 plus 0 is 2. And the second row, we don't change anything. So the second row remains 0, 1, -2, 1. Now what we see is that on the left-hand side of our matrix, we have the identity matrix, and on the right-hand side, this matrix here is our inverse matrix. So the inverse of our original matrix, 1, -2, 2, -3, is equal to the matrix -3, 2, -2, 1. Thank you.